Hey Embroidery Legacy family! Today we're diving into a gorgeous project and creating a cutaway snowflake napkin. These beautiful napkins add an elegant touch to your holiday table and they bring handmade charm to impress all your guests. Let's grab our materials and add a touch of winter wonderland to our holiday decor. The materials you'll need include an 8x8 hoop, napkins, obviously, water-soluble stabilizer, a pair of double curved scissors, masking tape, and optional, you can add some puff stuff, and this stuff is seriously so amazing. I will put it in the comments if you want to check it out. Step 1. Hoop your water-soluble stabilizer. Step 2. Now you're going to want to place the hoop into your machine and run the placement stitch for your napkin. Step 3. Remove the hoop from the machine and line up the corner of your napkin to the placement stitch. Secure the napkin with masking tape and return it to the machine. Now you're going to want to make sure that the excess of the napkin is folded out of the way because you do not want to get that caught up while your machine is running. Step 4. Stitch the cutting line onto the napkin. Remove the hoop from the machine and carefully cut the napkin close to the cut line. You want to make sure that you do not move or stretch the napkin while you are cutting or your design is not going to line up properly. Step 5. If you are using puff stuff, you can now place it over the napkin where the design is going to be stitched. So be sure to secure it with masking tape so that it won't move while stitching. Now, if you don't know what puff stuff is, it is going to give your design that extra dimension, and you will see at the end how cool this looks. Step 6. Return your hoop to the machine and stitch out the design. Step 7. Once the design has finished stitching out, remove the hoop from the machine. Now, if you have used puff stuff, you can also trim the excess away now too, and you can keep those little bits so that you can keep them for future designs. Carefully trim away some of the excess stabilizer from the back of the design. Step 8. Using a bowl of warm water or simply running the design under the tap, you can now remove the remaining stabilizer and puff stuff from your design. If you use puff stuff, be sure to use a soft brush to get into all the little places in the design. And there you have it. Our gorgeous cutaway snowflake napkins are all set to add elegance and charm to your holiday table. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as we did. And if you love this tutorial, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more festive embroidery projects. Until next time, happy stitching!